I stand before you with a great sense of humility and gratitude to express the vote of thanks for organizing India Public Libraries Conference 2015. At the very outset, I would like to place on record a very warm, sincere gratitude and thanks to Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for providing a wonderful opportunity to the organizers, that is Digital Empowerment Foundation and Telnet, to host and organize the first ever India Public Libraries Conference, which has witnessed a great interest and participation, as evident from the figures of participation, which crossed 350 from various parts of India and countries including USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Denmark, Germany, and Singapore. I would be failing in my duties if we do not acknowledge and record the great unstinted support, extended by Mrs. Pilar Pacheco from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and also Dr. B. Shadrack. He has been the person who has really made it possible, for us to organize this event over here. A very warm, sincere thanks. And it's, sometimes it happens that you don't find adequate words to express what we really mean, and it has really meant a lot for the entire LIS fraternity, especially those working in the public libraries in India. A big thank you to you, Ms. Pilar, and as well as to you, Dr. Shadrack. We are also grateful to our collaborating organizations, including the co-partners, including Pratham, Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, NESCOM, our global partners, IFLA and IREX, the government partners, Ministry of Culture, the institutional partners, NBT, RLF, National Library of India, and also to our associate partners, including Sangesh Learning, Kinsey Brothers, Britannica, and many more. The logistic partners, including iNomi, the knowledge partners, including the British Council, OKC, Read India, Ipsos, the Internet and Society, as well as many more, MS Swaminathan Research Foundation, and Tata Trust, who has been really, really very kind enough in giving their valuable inputs from time to time. I'm grateful to Honorable Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, the Honorable Minister of State, the PMO, for his very august presence for inaugurating IPLC 2015, and also to most respected Shri Raghav Chandra Ji, the Additional Secretary, who has been able to really spare time and for gracing the valedictory concluding session and delivering the valedictory address. I'm also indeed grateful to the other dignitaries who were there in the inaugural function, including Dr. K.K. Banerjee, Mrs. Pilar Pacheco, Mr. Osama Manzar, Dr. Kaul, Dr. Shadrack, and all for their gracious presence on the inaugural day. We are much grateful to Professor M.S. Swaminathan Ji for the message that he has delivered, and which has really set the tone of IPLC 2015. On behalf of the organizers and on behalf of us, Dr. Shadrack, I very humbly request you that please do kindly convey our very warm gratitude to him for addressing the audience, of IPLC. We are very much grateful to the chair and the co-chair of IPLC, the chair of the program, Dr. H.K. Kaul, and the co-chair, Mr. Osama Manzar, the director, DEF, the two directors of the two collaborating organizations, for really seeing to it that we are able to work together and to make it happen. Our very, very special thanks and a very special applause, I think, from all of us to Dr. B. Shadrack, and as well as to P. Jarajan sir for chalking out the minute-to-minute programs and seeing to it that we are able to achieve, from the two-day deliberations. We are much grateful to the invited speakers of IPLC, which included eminent speakers from India and abroad for their intellectual inputs, which had really, truly added, they were the value enhancers of IPLC. I would like to express our sincere thanks and gratitude to the speakers in order of the sessions conducted. Mrs. Jan Richards, Public Library Board, Australia; Alison Dobby, Auckland Public Library Council, New Zealand; Mr. Brian Gambles, former Director, Library of Birmingham, UK; Ms. Pilar Pacheco from Program Officer, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation; Dr. K.K. Banerjee; Mrs. Tripti Sharma, Associate Director, Ipsos, Delhi; Dr. T.P.O. Nasiruddin, Department of Library Science, Kozhikode; Mr. Ari Katz, Regional Director, Beyond Access, IREX, Thailand; Mr. Dipendra Manocha, President, Daisy Forum of India; Tina Sabatika, ED, Read Global, USA; Mr. A.P. Sivakumar, District Library Officer, Trichy; Dr. A.K. Chakravarti, Director General, RLF; Ms. Nancy J. Enbel, Director, M.S. Swaminathan Research Foundation; Dr. Ganga Vidya from Reliance Foundation, Mumbai; Ms. Sarah Jaffe from World Leader, USA; Ms. Purbi Shah from Pratham Books; India, Dr. C. Kathiresan from Wikaspedia Portal, Ms. Anja Flicker, Head, City Library, Wurzburg, Germany, Ms. Sudha Mukherjee from DPL Delhi, Mr. K.P. Vijay Kumar, Professor, University of Kerala, Professor Shailendra Kumar, Department of Library and Science, Delhi University, Mrs. Winnie Vitsinki, Public Library, Denmark, Dr. Ashish Akin, President ILA, Mr. Sudhakar Gaur, Rural Library Association, Hyderabad, Mr. Shrikant Sinha, Chief Executive Officer, NESCOM Foundation, Mr. N. Avaidipan, former Director, Tamil Nadu Public Library, Mrs. Amarjeet Kaur, from Director, Public Library, National Library Board of Singapore, Mr. P. Jayarajan, former Head, British Council in India, Shri Bhartendra Singh, Baswan, member NML, Dr. Saurabh Shirvasa, co-founder NESCOM Delhi, Mrs. Amrita Patwardhan from Tata Trust, and Dr. Ajit Kumar. We are much grateful to the chair and the moderators of various sessions. Without their assistance, it would not have been possible to conduct the session so efficiently. We would like to thank Dr. P.V. Rajendra Kumar, DG National Library, Shri Baldev Bhai Sharma, Chairman, National Book Trust, Professor P.B. Magla, Tagore Fellow of Department of Culture, Dr. A.R.D. Prasad, Professor and Head DRTC Bangalore, Professor Subhaya Arunachalam, Distinguished Fellow, Center for Internet and Society, Bangalore, Dr. Mrs. Kalpana Dasgupta, former Director, National Library and Central Secretariat Library, Mrs. Pilar Pacheco, Program Officer, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Dr. D.V. Singh, former President, ILA, His Excellency Ambassador Krishna Prasad Hakal, Minister Charge d'Affaires, Embassy of Nepal, and Dr. Kaul. I'm much thankful to the reporters of various sessions who have very diligently recorded the deliberations and recommendations of the sessions, including Mr. Shibu Ite, Program Officer, Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, Mr. Rajat Kumar from the coordinator, the Digital Empowerment Foundation, Dr. Neena Jha, the Program Director, and also the Organizing Secretary, Ms. Samyukta Subramaniam, Project Head Pratham. I also had the pleasure of being one of the reporters for one of the sessions. Thank you very much for that. And Swaha Saho from Sir Rata Tatan Library, Ms. Ira Senger, Program Officer Pratham, Dr. Syed Qazi, the Deputy Director DEV, Mr. Srinath from MS Swaminathan Foundation, Ms. Ritu Shirvaswa, and Mr. Hamid Abidin from NESCOM. We are also grateful to the exhibitors of Expo IPLC 2015 Expo. We would like to thank the heads of various departments of library and information sciences who have recommended the young bright students, which as a special gesture which was extended by IPLC 2015 for the free participation and accommodation, including the travel and stay of nearly 50 students. I think it has happened for the very first time, and I think the student community over here, please do stand up, and we would like to, I think they have, because they had to go, they have come from, right from University of Kashmir to University of Jammu to Punjabi University, from Kurukshetra, they came from all across, to be here. And I think it's for the first time that in a conference that a special incentive and this kind of a, TAD and everything has been paid to the student community. And so we heartily thank, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for making it possible because of the very gracious, funding, that we have got. We would also like to thank each one of our fellow delegates who have participated in the conference. Without their assistance, it would not have been really possible to get such a momentum to the conference without your active involvement. So, as being said that you cannot spell success, we cannot spell the word success without you, that capital U. So you are the factor, who have really made it possible for us to organize this event so efficiently and smoothly. And we heartily, on behalf of each and every organization who has been associated, including the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, we really, really are going to cherish your presence, each one of yours presence, over here for the past 2 days. So we are indeed very much thankful also to the heads of your organizations who have really made it possible for you to come and attend this conference. We are grateful to NPT for providing accommodation of nearly 10 rooms and also for hosting, the tomorrow's post-conference workshop at their campus. Besides Delnet, we are also hosting 2 workshops tomorrow. We are grateful to the support extended by India International Center in organizing this event. And I think, we also, apart from a special mention of Ms. P. Ghosh, the Chief Program Officer here, and Ms. Tete, needs to be mentioned, who have extended all possible assistance to us for the smooth execution. Mr. Arun and Ms. Sutapa was of great help. And Dr. Kaul, because he has been here just opposite, this auditorium in the library for nearly 43 years he spent. And it is his factor that even after 5 o'clock, otherwise they do remove even the tables and chairs and everything, you know, including the banner and everything, because the time commitment they have to, you know, make. It happened yesterday. So thank you very much, besides thanking our authorities and also our colleagues over here, Mr. Suresh and Mr. Rajendra, you know, the supporting colleagues here who takes care of, I'm forgetting your name. Sunil, a very big applause. They are the ones, this work silently. These are the workers, you know. They just work just to see to it, and they are the ones who are not visible. You know, we are the people who are visible. We come, we said this, we said, but the basic, the real backbone lies the people who works behind. We are just the representatives who stand here and represent them, you know. So a very big thank you, you know, to you, Sunil, and also the entire team over here. We are also would like to convey our very special thanks to the media for giving a very good, you know, wider coverage. On behalf of Delnet, we would like to convey our very warm, sincere gratitude to Mr. Osama Manzar, the Director DAF. Mr. Osama, a big thank you from Delnet and from all of us, and a very, very big thank you again to the Deputy Director, Dr. Kazi, you know, who has been, we have been working on a minute-to-minute basis. Dr. Kazi is around. He's there. He's there. We are really not finding it, you know, short of words to express, you know, how much, you know, you have really supported and helped in organizing. Dr. Nina Jha, you know, our the organizing secretary, a very big applause for her, because she has been the one who has really been working, you know, to see to it, to that we, to ensure, you know, the smooth execution of this workshop, and also to make it the IPLC 2015 a reality. We are indeed thankful to you. We are also thankful to the other team members at DEF, including Mrs. Namita Rao, Operations Manager, who has really been of great help in looking after the logistics. Thank you very much, Namita. She has been working, seeing the, you know, expo, seeing the accommodation and all that. Thank you so very much for working tirelessly for this. We greatly value and appreciate the participation of Mr. Rajat, Richa Deshpande. They're all the team members from DEF, Ms. Saba Pandey, Ritu Shrivastava, Shahid Siddiqui, Mr. Dev, Mr. Anand, Mr. Ambur Madan, Mr. Ravi Yadav, Ms. Sapna, Mr. Shahid Siddiqui, Mr. Anand, Ms. Monica, Mrs. Gayatri, Mr. Utkarsh, Mr. Pankaj, Mr. Azad Sohail, Ms. Jaspreet, Ravi Kanta, Lakita Mang, Satya Kumar, Arjun Sen, Pritam, you are all the youngest to me, so I'm really skipping, you know, and directly addressing you. We are at Delnet. We are also, I'm much thankful to my colleagues at Delnet who have been really of great help, you know, in coordinating with me for the work, you know, that we have done, including Mr. Dinesh Kanthura, Miss Richa Chaudhary, Mrs. Arshana Peshan, Mr. Arvind Kumar, Mrs. Ranjana, and Mr. Sanjeev Sinha, including some of the other supporting colleagues who are still working for the tomorrow's workshop. And we are indeed very much grateful, you know, to the Almighty, the forces who have really made it happen. Because without His approval, the capital HIS, capital bold letters, you cannot really do anything at all. It is He, the Almighty, if He wants something to be done, He would pick up the agents DEF, He would pick up the agent Delnet, He would pick up Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and say, fine, I want this to happen. So we are indeed grateful and felt blessed that the Almighty has helped us. I know that Namita, myself, we were talking on Sunday, on Monday, by seeing the cloudy weather, it was raining heavily in Delhi on Sunday. Are we going to have any backup support? Because the expo was outside, you know. And that's how, so the two bright, you know, days that the Almighty has made it, you know, possible, because He was wanting that everything to run without any, you know, interruption. So a big thank you. I would say that a new momentum has been set in the Indian public library scenario, which has enabled us and inspired us to envision our future. Let's be the agents of change and bring the much desired transformation in the society through our dedicated efforts and deeds. I would close this concluding and the vote of thanks by quoting a beautiful quote from Swami Vivekananda, a great reformer who said, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. So our goal is to bring that change in the society through the public libraries. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has given you an opportunity. It's a lifetime opportunity. Opportunities doesn't knock that often on your doors. If it comes, grab it. Grab the opportunity and make the best use of it. So we all take an oath while, leaving to meet again in time and space again. And the oath is that, yes, all of us has to work together to bring a change in the society, to offer back to the society, the society who gives us so much. And let's believe that humanity is the best technology which is going to survive forever. It's a universal technology which will remain. Be humane and work for humanity, and you would be able to see that the change would happen. Thank you so very much, one and all those who are here and not here around, for all their assistance, the wonderful assistance to make IPLC 2015 a true reality. Thank you so much, one and all.